30. It's a very weird age, yaar. Dude, my relationship with God has changed. Okay. First, I used to ask him for things कि लड़का दे दो, job दे दो. Now I'm like, जो दिया है वापस ले लो. गलत दे दिया है. The thing with God is वो तुम्हें तुम्हारी खुशी दे देगा पर तुम्हें खुश नहीं देख सकता. You know, like for example, you're like, काश मेरा crush मेरे birthday पे आए. वो आएगा अपनी नई girlfriend के साथ. You're like, kash, I just want to be the richest man in the country. You will become. You'll have the fattest kid in the country. It is in every profession. Like, for example, I feel like I want to be a viral comic. और मेरी एक दो रील वायरल हो गई. नीचे लोग रंडी लिख रहे हैं. क्या फायदा? And it's not, all guys are also getting randi. The people who are commenting are not biased. They only know one word. But yeah, 30s is a very, very weird age. Like, I used to do some things very easily in my 20s. But now they're in my to-do list. Like, be positive is in my to-do list. I have to remind myself at 5 p.m. कि किसी को मार मत अपने दिमाग में. Please be positive. I feel like I used to also believe in ads when I was younger, in my 20s. I used to really think that Fair and Lovely will make you fair and lovely. Okay. But कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Every time I wore that cream, everyone was like, ये चूना लगा के क्यों आई है तू मुंह पे? Like recently I saw an ad of Parachute baby oil. It said कि इसमें माँ के दूध के nutrients है. किसके माँ के दूध के nutrients? कौन सी माँ अपने दूध के न्यूट्रिएंट्स अपने बच्चे को नहीं दे रही है और पैराशूट ऑफिस में छोड़ जा रही है? मुझे ये समझ नहीं. ऑल्सो हाउ आर यू अक्वायरिंग दीज दूध का न्यूट्रिएंट्स? इज देयर अ पर्सन कमिंग एट माई हाउस टू टेक इट, लाइक अ रिवर्स मिल्क मैन हु टेक्स मिल्क एंड गोज? और डू आई हैव टू वी फास्ट इट? लाइक आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. मैन इट्स मैंने खरीदा बट फिर भी अजीब ऐड थी. मैन आई एम ऑल्सो गुजराती. एनी Gujaratis here? Oh, some of you are very nice and loud. The Gujaratis are very weird people. एक तो we are everywhere. Okay, I feel like I'll go to Antarctica, they'll give me one बर्फ का थेपला. And I was like, why did you get this? They're like, अरे मोटा भाई had come, so we had to make it. You know, and we go everywhere and we say the same thing. यहाँ मुस्लिम्स बहुत है. एंड मुस्लिम्स है लाइक यहाँ गुज्जूस बहुत है. एंड जो वहाँ के लोग हैं लाइक हम कम हैं एक्चुअली, तुम हमारी जगह ले रहे हो. आई एम अ प्रॉपर गुजराती पर्सन. ओके, आई हैव बीन टॉट टू गो टू रिच प्लेसेस एंड एक्ट पुअर. आई गो एवरीवेयर एंड रिमूव द सर्विस चार्ज. देर लाइक आपने कुछ लिया भी नहीं. आई एम लाइक निकाल दो ना प्लीज. बस मेरे लिए निकाल दो. इनफैक्ट वी आर वेरी गुड एट बार्गेनिंग. Okay, my mom is amazing at bargaining. She can bargain anywhere. Recently उनका bypass होने वाला था. She told the doctor बहुत महंगा है. पिछली बार भी आप ही से कराया था. Then she got up and she started to leave. Waiting for the doctor to call her back. कि कोई बात नहीं, हम मांडवली कर लेंगे. आप स्टैंड घर से लेके आना. Dude, in the end, my mom got a 1-for-1 free deal. Now my dad has a stent. Doesn't have a heart problem, just a stent. Yeah, I'll tell you how to turn on the Gujarati. The best way to turn on a Gujarati is to write a price. Any price and cancel it. I'm wet right now, well say. Just cancel and write anything under it. And it's fine. I'm also struggling to be a really independent woman, okay? I decided that I'll drive. Worst decision of my life. I went for my learner's test, okay? उन्होंने मुझे बिठा के ही रखा 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I'm like, तुम लोग मेरा टेस्ट क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो? They're like, आपको बॉम्बे में चलाना है ना? यही टेस्ट है. आप फेल हो गए. अब कल आना बैठने. And I was like, भग बहन. And they're like, oh, आप पास हो गए. You're great on the streets. You know the language of the streets very well. Man, you know, I'm a very bad driver, okay? I'll tell you how I know. There are three mirrors total in a car. मुझे तीनों में गालियाँ पड़ रही है. I'm okay. I can admit that I'm bad, okay? I don't want to break any stereotype. But the thing is, when I am bad, all of womankind is bad with me. Okay? Like, sir, if you are bad at driving, only you are bad at driving, right? If I am bad at driving, Rakhi Sawant and Rani Lakshmibai both are bad at driving. And I feel very bad for Rani Lakshmibai. Because Rakhi and I deserve it. But poor thing, yeah. The thing is, I feel like Rani Lakshmibai भी घोड़ा जब चलाती होगी तब उसको सब ऐसे ही ताने मारते होंगे कि क्या फायदा देश को बचाने का, घोड़ा रिवर्स करना तो आता नहीं है ऐसे. पार्किंग करते वक्त मेरे घोड़े को किसिंग करके चली गई. एक तो I had a trainer who was a Bihari, okay, and he gave me a very different kind of training. He taught me something called ABCG: accelerator, brake, clutch, gutka. After clutch, he would always spit. And I don't eat gutka, but now I spit. So all the bikers are like, हमें थूक के क्यों जा रही है? एक तो रिवर्स करना नहीं आता, ऊपर से मुंह पे थूक के जा रही है पागल औरत. I'm also at that age where everyone keeps telling me you are the parent to your parents. Have you guys heard this? Yeah. But you can't parent your parents the way they parented you. You can't be like phone नीचे रख वरना रपटा मार. मैं अपने ही पापा का बेल्ट उन्हीं को नहीं दिखा सकती. Dude, my dad has lost it, okay? He's addicted to switching off lights. He goes to every room and switches off the light. We took him to IKEA once, he switched off all the lights. We're like, what are you doing? He's like, उनका भी बिल बचना चाहिए. अजीब आदमी है मेरे पापा. उनके बदन से अजीब अजीब आवाजें निकलती रहती है. अभी सोफे पे बैठ के ये कर रहे थे. 2 birds के कि कोई हमें करने के लिए बुला रहा है क्या? ये कैसी मेटिंग नॉइजेस आ रही है इनके घर से. एक तो मेरे पापा बहुत ही नॉन कॉन्फ्रंटेशनल आदमी है, ठीक है. मेरे पापा को मेरे ड्रॉर में सिगरेट का पैकेट मिला. अ नॉर्मल फादर विल कन्फ्रंट देयर चाइल्ड. ही रिमूव्ड ऑल द सिगरेट्स फ्रॉम द पैकेट, ब्रोक देम, मेड अ माउंटेन ऑफ टोबैको एंड पुट द पैकेट ऑन इट. And then he waited for me to find it. And then he didn't even talk to me about it. He's just like, you know that I found it. Now stop smoking. And the best part was मुझे joint बनाना था. इन्होंने क्रश करके दे दिया टबैको. Man, एक तो my dad drinks also. How many of you all drink? Give me a cheer. Yeah, some of you all drink. Yeah, my dad also drinks. His favorite drink is Gaumutra. Yeah, he drinks it every day. I keep asking him, why do you drink it? One day he told me, I drink it because it cures cancer. I'm like, but you don't have cancer. You have gas. And another layer of smell has been added to the gas that we don't want to smell. You guys know Gaumutra is available on Blinkit. Yeah, it can reach you in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Why is this at such short distance to us? Blinkit is specifically for things you have cravings for. Who is having this craving? कि second day of period है मेरा, थोड़ा मूत का मोही तो मिल जाता, तो मजा आ जाता. How are they delivering it in 8 minutes? How? Is there a person next to a car going and running and delivering it? I just don't understand. एक तो I ordered it, okay? उस पे लिखा हुआ था, in case you have any complaints, call this number. What complaint? Who is complaining? कि actually ये घोड़े का लग रहा है. आपने अपना तो नहीं डाल दिया है इसमें. I keep asking my dad, why do you drink it? One day he told me, I drink it because I respect cows. What a weird way to show respect. I also respect A.R. Rahman. कैसा लगेगा मैं खाली बोतल लेके पहुंच जाऊंगी कॉन्सर्ट में तो कि सर प्लीज 2 बूंद रिस्पेक्ट है सर प्लीज सर यू नो ही फेल सिक ऑल्सो ही हैड एक्स्ट्रा यूरिक एसिड इन हिज बॉडी ऑफ कोर्स आई टोल्ड द डॉक्टर कि ये 55 साल का टैक्स पेयर गौमूत्र पीता है द डॉक्टर वाज लाइक इट्स फाइन यू कैन ड्रिंक इट फॉर इम्यूनिटी एंड ऑल आई वाज लाइक वेयर डिड यू गेट योर डिग्री फ्रॉम लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी इज दिस योर रियल मेडिकल ओपिनियन you know the most thing I don't care if everyone can do it it's fine I just don't want my dad to do it because everyone keeps telling me I'm like my dad okay and now I'm scared किस हद तक क्योंकि मैंने ये करना तो शुरू कर दिया है ठीक है I don't want to wake up one morning and be like मूत का मोहितो दे दो you know I just don't want to do it एक तो you know when you're younger you feel like your mom is crazy okay you grow up you feel like mom now at this age I feel like oh my dad is a real crazy he made her crazy he's Kangna Ranaut she's Urvashi Rotella like I've also seen a lot okay like I have seen the weirdest things in my life in my 20s I don't want to see them again I have seen a man suck his own dick yeah every man is like कैसे किया उसने मुझे भी करना है मेरा ड्रीम है ये I'll tell you it एक तो I tell this in every show everyone is traumatized I love it and it wasn't in an intimate situation I was at a show okay and there was an Australian guy and a German guy in the audience okay and I asked the Australian guy where he's from he said I could be from anywhere I was like ये बहुत hot है okay so I have to address that so I said you could be a hot guy from anywhere he's like I'm from Australia immediately he stopped my flirt I asked the German guy where he's from he said I am from the earth I was like are you also vegan he got offended because he was so he got up and he started to leave and I was like I'm Jen don't teach your daddy how to fuck I this is like Reebok judging Reebok like that's you can't judge me okay and I kept saying I'm Jen उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा था तो he kept like telling the Australian guy कि these guys suck why are you watching this show and all of that and this Australian guy was very drunk okay so he decided to do something about it he got up he took the mic from me he said you suck then he took his pants down and he folded yeah but I was so impressed guys क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक मर्दों को अपनी प्लेट सिंक में रखते हुए नहीं देखा है